Hi, this is Gary at WaterField Designs here in our San Francisco studio, and I wanted to give you a quick overview on how to care for the leather once your new shield case arrives. Specifically, the chocolate. The distressed full-grain chocolate leather is tanned with extra oils. This is what helps give it the distressed look. It scuffs easy and marks up, and you can see all the little scuffs and marks here, but it also cleans up easily. You'll want to take a hair dryer on high heat and point it at the scuffed area. This heats up the oils within the leather and moves them around, disperses them. Then rub lightly with your finger and they mostly disappear or at least soften up. This will work until the patina builds up on your leather and becomes really beautiful. This same process will work with the wax cotton canvas. The wax in the canvas will scuff and mark, and the hot hair dryer heats up the wax and disperses it in the canvas. Beautiful, just like new. Cleans up pretty nice, just like your old bomber jacket. Thanks for watching.